Okay, students, next third sum. If alpha, beta, and gamma are the roots of the equation x2 plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal 0, form a cubic equation whose roots are, then subdivision 3 subdivision. Okay, that some the same method. The algebra is the 10th standard. The same. The given the one equation, then roots of alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, then first one the solution, then given the equation x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0, then find identify the value. A is equal to 1, the coefficients of x cube, b is equal to 2, then coefficient of x square, c is equal to 3, the coefficient of x, and d is equal to 4. Okay, then given the cubic equation, the roots, the values of alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, then b value minus 2 divided by 1 is minus 2. Okay, then alpha beta gamma alpha is equal to c by a, then c value 3 divided by 1 3. Okay, then next one alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a, then d value minus 4 divided by 1 minus 4. That is the first the given the equation, the alpha beta, the roots of the value. Okay, the common the 3 subdivision value, then roots are alpha 2 beta 2 gamma. The roots are 2 alpha 2 beta 2 gamma. Okay, then first 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 gamma is equal to 2 is a common, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, then 2 into then alpha plus beta plus gamma value minus 2 2 2s are 4. Okay, the next one 2 alpha into 2 beta 3 multiple plus 2 beta into 2 gamma, then plus 2 gamma into 2 alpha. Okay, is equal to then 2 alpha beta gamma alpha, the roots of change 2 alpha 2 beta 2 gamma. Okay, then 2 alpha 2 beta 2 2s are 4 alpha beta plus 2 2s are 4 beta gamma plus 2 2s are 4 gamma alpha. Okay, then 4 is a common, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, then 4 into then alpha beta plus beta gamma alpha 3. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Another one value, then 2 alpha 2 beta 2 gamma. Then next one okay, listen, next then 2 alpha 2 beta 2 gamma is equal to 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 alpha beta gamma, then 8 into then alpha beta gamma value minus 4. Okay, minus 4 4 3s are 4 8s are 32, that third value. Therefore the cubic equation of x square minus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 gamma into x square plus 2 alpha 2 beta plus 2 beta into 2 gamma plus 2 gamma into 2 alpha x plus 2 alpha into 2 beta into 2 gamma is equal to 0. Sorry, that is minus. Okay, x square minus 2 alpha plus 2 beta 2 gamma value minus 4. Okay, then first value minus into minus plus 4x square, then 2 alpha 2 beta 2 gamma 2 alpha value and 12. Okay, then plus 12x. Next one, the minus 3, 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 comma value minus 32, then plus 32 equal to 0. That is 3x x cube plus 4x square plus 12x minus plus 32 equal to 0. Then first subdivision. Okay. Then second subdivision, the roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. Then previous, the common value alpha plus beta plus gamma value minus 2. Already find alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha value 3. Then alpha beta gamma value minus 4. Okay. Okay, then the roots of, use the roots of the value, that roots, you find the value, you find the equation. Then first one, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma equal to, the denominator is not equal, then LCM is a alpha beta gamma LCM. Okay, then denominator, the first one is alpha, then one into misses the value beta gamma, plus the second one is a beta, then miss the value alpha gamma, plus third one is a gamma, then miss the value alpha beta. Okay, then alpha beta gamma alpha value is 3 divided by alpha beta gamma value minus 4, that is 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma value. Okay, the next one, 1 by alpha into 1 by beta plus 1 by beta into 1 by gamma plus 1 by gamma into 1 by alpha is equal to, okay, then 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma is equal to 1 divided by alpha beta plus 1 divided by beta gamma plus 1 divided by gamma alpha. The denominator is not equal. Okay, the denominator is alpha beta gamma, then alpha beta is a 2 term, 1 term is a missing gamma, plus beta gamma is a 1 missing alpha, plus gamma alpha 1 value is a beta, that is alpha beta gamma value, alpha plus beta gamma value minus 2, then alpha beta gamma value minus 4, then minus cancel, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2, third one value. Okay, and third one, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma, 1 divided by alpha beta gamma, 1 divided by alpha beta gamma value minus 4, third one. Therefore, the cubic equation of x cube minus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma into x square plus 1 by alpha into 1 by beta, 1 by alpha beta plus 1 by beta gamma plus 1 by gamma alpha into x minus 1 by alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. X cube minus 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma value 3 divided by minus 4. Already this minus into minus plus 3 by 4 x square plus 1 by alpha beta, 1 by beta gamma, 1 by gamma alpha value is 1 by 2 x. Next, then minus 1 by alpha beta gamma value 1 by minus symbol, then already symbol minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Okay, you change the denominator is equal, not equal, they change the value. Denominator 4. Okay, then denominator is equal 4, then multiple 4x cube plus the denominator is 3x square. The denominator is 2 multiple 2 into x, 2x divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. The divide value right hand side multiple 0. Therefore, the equation of 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the equation of cubic equation. That's all. That's Then third subdivision is Homer. The third subdivision is minus alpha minus beta minus gamma. That sum is Homer. Okay, then previous second Roman second sum Homer, and third Roman third sum Homer. Okay, that's all the second Roman.